Hi there. Today, I'm going to demonstrate you one of the Python code which will be used for, converting PDF to speech. So I have one of the type of PDF from one of the website called as supersimplelearning.com, which is having full of graphics in his PDF, and along with that, it is containing all the lyrics for the Jingle Bell. So my purpose to include this PDF in my video is to show you that it is how complex PDF is, and I'm converting this complex PDF into speech. And again, I will print the text of this PDF. I'm not again telling you I'm not sponsoring this anyone. I'm not sponsoring this super simple learning.com. Just because I'm using the PDF, I'm showing it in my video. So let's begin with the today's code. Let's rename my file. So it is PDF to speech and text. So rename done. We need to import here. We are going to deal with majorly two libraries, which is import py pdf2, and second is import uh, py ttsx3, which is used for audio purpose. And next we are going to use is import warnings, so that we can ignore warnings. So here warnings dot filter, just a minute, filter warnings, and it should be ignored. So ignore. Uh, it should not be a warning. It should be warnings. That's it. And one more thing, many of you might have a problem while importing this by PDF2 and PPTS PYT PyTTSX3. So for the what is solution for that is you can just do this pip install py PDF2, and same with you can do with the pip install PyTTSX3. If you're facing any issue, if it is not identifying the importing py pdf, then you can import you can install this too, and it should be before your importing library here. Okay, I hope you're getting it. I'm not installing it because it is already there, so I'm not installing in my uh, Anaconda environment. So this would be helpful if you're getting any problem while importing this library file. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now next, moving ahead, because now I want to uh, store my directory where I'm going to fetch this thing. So OS is the library, so of course I have to import here. OS as well. Import, oh I'm sorry, import OS, and here I'm going to use OS change directory, and what would be the my directory? Then let me show you. My directory is going to be this, because my PDF is there, so I'm going to use this directory. Put it here, single quotation, and then put it here. Run it. It is done. Now next I want to store my file in one of the variable called as path, and here I'm using open method, and in this I'm going to pass my file name. What is my file name? You can see it's a jingle.pdf. Of course it should be in single quotation. Okay, now because I want to read it in binary format, so I want to assign it rb. Run it. So my file is open, means it is ready now. And then by using PDF reader, I'm going to use this py pdf2 dot pdf file reader. What do you want to read? My file, which is having in path. And the next is, because it should be a specific page number, from which page number you want to read. So I'm going to take one of the variable which is having page number is equal to it is having PDF, the same variable PDF I have used, PDF RD, which is variable for storing the path. And then I want to assign it page number. So there is a method called as page get page number, get page, and here I can assign, because there is only one page, I want to read only one page, so that's the 0 number. That means first page. I want to read it first page from the PDF. Then I want to convert my PDF content, which is read in page number, as a text. So I'm taking variable as a text, and now using page number where it is stored, page number, I'm going to extract the text. So there is method called extract text, and this is the method. So by this way, I have extracted the method. It is you can see it's line only, and now it's then with the PDF, Py PDF2, and now the time is to use your PyTT SX3, which deals with the audio and sound, which speaks louder, used for speaking the text louder. So now here I'm taking as a variable, one of the variable is audio, and then I'm calling PyTT SX3 dot init, because I want to initialize first. So let's initialize it. Okay, now second is I want this audio to say what I want this to say what is text, what is in text. So yeah, it is done. Now I want you to hear this. Uh, what is speaking? Uh, what is in PDF? So for that purpose, I have to use just audio my variable and dot run and wait method. What this will do?
Jingle bells, learn
This will
and
read out.
sing, from Super Simple Songs, Christmas Copyright 2011-2014 Super Simple Learning Incorporated. Super Simple Songs, Christmas www.supersimplelearning.com. Dashing through the snow. In a one-horse open sleigh. O trademark are the fields we go. Laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring. Making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So I hope it's clear, audible to you guys. And now the time is I want to print my text. So just print whatever I have read it using PDF. So print my text. I want to show you what is in text actually. So now you can see extracted text here. The next step, I would like to show you how to export it as a MP3, the audio format. So for that, you have to do is audio dot save to file method, and what you want to say is text, and then you have to assign the name of mp3 file. Suppose I want audio test, so should be .mp3 format. My text should be in this audio format, and it is done. Now for exporting, because there's a speaking louder, I've used run and wait. Just run this audio dot run and wait method. It will export your mp3 file from the text. That's it for today, and